this guide, I'm going to show you all of the repair tool blueprint locations here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, starting off from the life pod, which is going to be our main area that we, regroup at pretty much every single time, go ahead and make your way south, and you need to head this way until you reach a wreck. You're going to see a bunch of different stuff right here. You just need to head down a little bit. There's going to be this big little thing way down here. Go ahead and ignore that because you're looking for this giant wreck right over here instead. If you go around to the back, or maybe this is the front, you're going to see a little like black hole in here. It's like not super obvious, and wow, I just hit that. That's embarrassing. I just hit that again. This little hole right here is the entrance, so go ahead and make your way in here. Once you're in here, take a left and go down a little bit, and as you can see, there is the repair tool right here. So go ahead and get that scanned, and that's going to be our first location. There's two more to go to, so let's go ahead and make our way back over to the life pod. Once you're back at the life pod, what you want to do this time is actually head southeast. So essentially head straight southeast, and you're looking for another wreck, not this thing right here. It's going to get a little hot here, so you may need a heat adaptation, so just keep that in mind. The big thing you're looking for is this giant little pillar. It even sticks out of the sky a little bit, so that's a good way to find it, right? But go ahead and make your way in this little hole right here. And once you're in this hole, you need to go inside this thing, enter in here, and you'll find the repair tool just kind of sitting on this shelf, just like so. Let's go ahead and head back to the life pod again, and we'll go to that last location. Once you get to or near the life pod itself, what you need to do is actually start making your way northeast now. And once again, we're looking for another wreck. Not this one. This one doesn't count for whatever reason. But you'll see this extremely big wreck, and what you need to do is actually go underneath the wreck itself. Not like down there, because otherwise you're going to get sucked back a little bit. But go underneath the wreck itself, and then that's actually how you enter in here. So enter in here just like so, and then of course once you're in here, look towards this little door, and of course scan the repair tool from here. It's pretty good that this is sitting here because you need this to get in here to get some other stuff as well. But yeah, that's the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.